Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up booking travel through the Amex Travel portal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Amex Travel website. Log into your American Express account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create one. Once logged in, locate the Travel tab in the main menu. Click on the Travel tab to access the Amex Travel portal. You'll find several options including flights, hotels, and car rentals. Select the type of travel you're booking, such as flights. Enter your departure and arrival cities in the search fields. Choose your travel dates and specify the number of passengers. Click the search button to view available options. Browse through the list of flights displayed on the screen. Use the filters to narrow down results by price, time, or airline. Once you find a flight that suits your needs, click on it for more details. Review the flight information carefully, including layover times and total cost. If everything looks good, click on Select or Book. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Choose your payment method, either from your Amex account or another card. Review your booking summary to ensure accuracy. If applicable, enter any loyalty program details for additional benefits. Submit your booking once you're satisfied with all information. Wait for the confirmation page, which will include your booking reference. Check your email for further details regarding your travel itinerary. If booking accommodations, repeat the process for hotels. Select your destination and enter check-in and check-out dates. Browse available hotels and select one that meets your criteria. Follow the prompts to finalize your hotel booking in the same way. If you need a car rental, go back to the main travel options. Enter your pickup and drop-off locations along with dates. Select the car that fits your needs and confirm your booking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.